What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Today we're going to learn to play the G7 chord. If you have not checked out the G chord tutorial, I'm going to link it somewhere. And I highly recommend that you check that out first, because by the end of today we're going to be practicing going back and forth between the G chord and the G7 chord. As always, please make sure that your instrument is in tuned and that the fingernails of your left hand are trimmed. Today we're going to be using our first finger in the first fret of our instrument. The more gentle you are with your thumb as you are strumming, the better the note is going to sound. Let's get to the G7. Please play 4 quarter note strums down with your thumb. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, 3, again. Rest, 2, play again. Last time, ready, play. Very nicely done. I'm hoping that you're finding some success. Now let's have a little bit of fun. The last tutorial was all about the G chord, so now let's go back and forth between G and G7. You're going to need the ring finger of your left hand in the 3rd fret. Now, I'm going to tell you a super secret trick. You can actually leave your first finger in the 1st fret while playing the G chord. It's still going to be fine. Here's why. Anything that happened before, it doesn't register anymore. It's irrelevant, because the higher up you go, that's the one that actually is going to count. So when you're going back and forth between the G and the G7, just leave your first finger in place, at least until you're comfortable. Let's play 4 Gs, and then we'll go to the G7 and play that 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, start on G. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, now switch to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, and back to G. Well done. Now let's take out the 4 beats of rest in between and get our fingers transitioning a little quicker. Here we go. Starting on G. 1, 2, ready, begin. Switch to G7. Back to G. Back to G7. End on G. Well done. I hope everybody's finding a little bit of success here with this. Have a wonderful, magical week, and I will see you next time. Bye!